Hey guys, it's Hannah Ferguson. Today I'm going to show you my favorite red lip makeup look. I'm going to start by washing my hands because I'm kind of paranoid about putting dirty fingers on my face. So just give me 1 second for that. I'm going to start with my favorite day cream. I do about 5 pumps. I love the dewy look of just looking really moisturized and plump, luscious skin. Kind of massage it in a little bit. Alright, Biossance eye cream. I just do 1 squirt because 1's enough. I use my pinkies for my under eyes because they're small. I guess we all have our own little techniques. I really like to use this La Roche-Posay tinted sunscreen. It really just gives you a nice thin foundation. I love to use the L'Oreal True Match. Just dab a little bit. A makeup artist used this on me one time and I loved it, so I just kind of copied their idea. And I like to use a color that's a little bit lighter than the rest of my skin. Just go around your nose a little bit. My Lash Star Beauty Eyelash Curler. Sometimes I kind of lightly twist it out just to kind of make my eyelashes curl up and out. Not too hard because then you'll pull all your eyelashes out. So I'm kind of a mascara fanatic. I always use waterproof because my eyes always water whenever I laugh. Plus I'm in the ocean a lot and I like to have some mascara on whenever I'm fishing. I feel like all my friends do their makeup super fast and I take forever. I really just try to get them combed out so they're not clumpy and fill in any missing spaces. I would say 2 to 3 layers probably. Naked. The one that's almost gone. Kind of takes out the pinkness of your eyelids. A little bronzer and it's Hoola. It's a perfect color for just kind of getting a natural, like kind of sun-kissed color. I apply it just kind of right under your cheekbones. I have freckles though, so I feel like if I have a little spot, it doesn't always show, which is nice. This Milk highlighter. Get some of that on my finger and makes them stand out and glow a little bit more. Maybe do just a dash on top of the nose. And then I have another highlighter. It's the NARS one. I love to put this one right in the corner of my eyes. So my lips are a little bit dry. Just put on a little bit. But it's just kind of a pet peeve of mine to have dry lips. I'm gonna do a red lip, and my favorite is this MAC Retro Matte. Once I put it on, it really stays. Even like after eating and having something to drink, it doesn't move. I have big lips, so it kind of takes a second. If you want a little bit of a lighter edge, not so harsh, you can just press it in with your fingertips. I really like this Anastasia brow pencil. It's taupe. And I tend to kind of fill them more in on the outer edges and brush them up and out just to kind of give that lifted emphasis. So one of my little tricks, I'm sure I'm not the only one that does this, is I like to use hairspray to keep my eyebrows in place. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my red lip tutorial.